Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making stir fry tofu guys. If you guys never eat tofu before and you don't know how to make it, this is the best way to make it guys. Using very simple recipe, very quick, and it tastes really delicious guys. But before I cook, please don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you guys. And I use 16 ounces tofu guys. I cut it square like that first, and then I cut it little square like that. Right now I'm going to fry all the tofu guys, but before you fry the tofu you have to waiting the oil getting really hot first and then put the tofu in. And you don't have to fry tofu too long guys, as long already turn brown like that. Already turn brown like this, just take it out, okay? I'm going to take out all the tofu right now. And for the sauce, I'm going to use 1 piece of bell pepper, 2 pieces of red onions, and 3 pieces of garlic. Right now I'm going to blend all the spices first. Okay, it's good enough. And right now I'm going to saute all the spices first guys. I put a little bit of oil. I'm going to saute all the spices first. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon beef flavor, and tablespoon sweet soy sauce, and tablespoon sesame oil. Mix it a little bit first. And now I'm going to add 3 pieces bay leaf and 1 piece galangal. But if you guys doesn't have bay leaf or galangal at home, you don't have to put it guys, okay? And you have to saute the spices for 7 minutes over low heat. And I'm going to add 100 ml of water and wait until boil first, and then put all the tofu in. Stir fry for 1 minute and take it out guys, okay? Okay, it's good enough. I'm going to take it out right now. Okay guys, so this will be my dinner today, and I'm going to eat with the rice because I love rice. So delicious. It's really good. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you so much guys for your sub. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys and have a great weekend. Bye guys.